So you guys, I got a terrific surprise for you today. Guess what? Your boy Joe here got the new iPhone 16. You already know. I got it. It is right over there. We're gonna unbox it. So let's get into it, you guys. So yes, you guys, now you have it. I got it. You already know. Great phone. Love it. I hope you guys really enjoyed the unboxing video that I just did. I know it was a little bit quiet, but I wanted to, have a moment of silence on getting this iPhone 16 Pro Max. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Coming soon again, there's going to be another video dropping. I hope you guys enjoy this one, but there's going to be another one coming soon. I'll let you guys know on my Twitter. If you guys are following me on Twitter, follow me right here. That's me. Follow me. Check me out. I'm always writing posts every single week, every single day. I'm always doing little videos, little shortcuts and all that stuff like that. Little, shorts and stuff like that. But yes, iPhone 16, you already know, just dropped. And unboxed by me, by Noon Vlogs. So Noon Vlogs it is, that's the name. And yeah, Noon Vlogs out of here. I hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe. You already know.